Hi, this is Red from Celant Innovations. In this video, I'm going to cover the workflow automation feature and other updates made in our latest version of the Document Assembly Engine. Let's start with the New Project screen. The top menu bar now features a new calendar navigation button, and the projects are now organized by current and archived projects based on whether a transaction is active or not. Now let's create a new project. Enter a name and choose a template. Here we can see Workflow in action. Workflow allows project managers and contributors to see the status on all active projects. These stages in the workflow can be used to streamline transactions within a project while keeping a tab on where everything is at and keeping track of everything that has occurred within a project. The gist of a workflow is that it follows a set of steps called statuses. Given a status, the action assigned to the play button changes. For example, if I'm the scheduler, I would schedule a meeting by pressing Action, then creating an appointment. Now the status moves to the next step. I can now send out a confirmation email by pressing Action again. Let's suppose the next responsible person gets automatically assigned and is responsible for conducting the interview. After the interview is complete, it might get passed to another person for final review and approval. Now the responsibility is back to me for creation and distribution of the document. And while all this is happening, the app is keeping track of everything. You can access this log at the Properties page. You can add to it via comment, and the items added to the log cannot be deleted. Notes is something about the project that you want to keep a record of for yourself or your colleagues, and you can change or delete this. In this page, you can also change the name of the project, change the template, and in the Files tab, you can upload and download any saved files. After you are done, pressing Action with the status set to Archive will stow this project safely so they don't compete with other active transactions for your attention. This concludes our overview of the workflow automation feature. Thank you for watching.